All right. So if we do that, we have x. This is a positive 2x. When it crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 2x. Is equal to, we have negative 3 already. When this positive 7 crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 7. All right. So if we do that, x minus 2x will give us minus x is equals to minus 3 minus 7 will give us minus 10. Okay, we can just say divide both sides by minus 1 or multiply through by minus 1. Any of them is okay. Then this will cancel negative. I have x equals to 10. So the answer is 10. So thank you, Kevin, Matt is for solving it, and Gavin for approving the answer. Thank you so much. So the answer is correct. Then we go to the next one. So the next question is, so question number 4. So question number 4. Question number 4 says, 80%. Okay, why 80% of 50 is what? What is 180% of 50? What is 180% of 50? And I'm expecting you to solve this in 3 seconds. Solve in 3 seconds. So please solve, drop your answer. Let's go. Solve it, drop your answer. So we are doing life math challenge with Dr. Vivian. All right. So you solve, drop your answer. Let's go. Solve this, drop your answer. Okay. Gavin says 90. Good. More answers, please. More answers. If you know the answer, quickly drop your answer. Let's solve it together. All right. Drop your answers. Let's go. Okay. If you know the solution to the question, quickly drop your answer. Let's go. So we are doing life math challenge with Dr. Vivian. Okay. Solve it, drop your answer. And please help us tap on the screen. You see the love icon by the side. Tap on it so that we can get to more people. You know, the more you tap, please help us like the live section and share the live section too, please. Help us tap and share the live section. Okay. Okay. Shama says 40. More answers. More answers. More answers. Please, if you know the answer, solve it. Drop your answer. So let me quickly solve it. All right. Let me solve it. Now, to solve this math is very easy. Okay. Now, in percentage, all right, we have 180% of 50. Okay. You can write it in percentage. It have I think commutative property, where you can say if we have 80% of 50, we can call it 50% of 180. Okay. This is correct in percentage. We have 180% of 50. It's also equal to 50% of 180, so they're equal. Now 50% is just half. So half of 180 is 90. So the correct answer is 90. Is that easy? That is allowed. But I'm still going to solve it again using another method. Let me solve it again. Let me just solve it practically how it is done in mathematics. 80% is 80 over 100. So that's, 180 over 100, all right, times multiplication of is multiplication, and we have 80% is 80 over 100. 0 will cancel here, 0 will cancel here. All right. We have 18 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. All right. We have 40. We write 0 and we pick 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So anyway you choose to solve it, the correct answer is 90. So Gavin is correct. So please, K.N. Shama, please take note of the correction. Thank you for participating. Please help us share the live section. All right. And help us, give us a like. Click the like button. Let's go. All right. So this is question number, I think, number 4. Let's go to question number 5. Question number 5 says 80 divided by 1/4 times 1/40 is equal to what? So solve this. Drop your answer. Okay? If you know the answer, please help us solve and drop your answer. I want to see your comments. Drop your comments. Give us a thumbs up. This is Life Challenge with Dr. Vivian. All right? Please help us like this live section. Share it. You can join the challenge. It's for everybody. It's not for a particular set of people. If you're interested in solving, just solve, drop your answer, and I'll write your name out. I'll solve it. You see whether you're right or wrong. So please, let's go. Thank you to those who are participating. Thank you to Gavin. Thank you to K.N. Shama, Matt Ease, Louis, Claire. You are all welcome. Please kindly join us and solve. So Gavin say 8. All right. So Gavin, 8. Please, more answers. Please, more answers. Okay. Shama, 80. More answers, please. More answers. If you know the solution, please drop your answer. It's for everybody. It's life challenge for everybody. If you're interested in solving, just solve and drop your answer. It's not for a particular set of people. Thank you for liking the live section. Please go on and like the live section and share it for us. Please, we are both on YouTube, Dr. Vimas, on Facebook, Dr. Vimas, on TikTok, Dr. Vimas. So feel free to follow us on Instagram, Dr. Vimas. Feel free to follow us on all platforms and join our challenge every Monday by 10 a.m. Nigerian time. So please feel free to join us. All right. This math challenge is for everybody, every student. As far as you are interested in mathematics, whether student, mother, father, and you want to just exercise your brain with mathematics, you are at the right place. Feel free to join us. This is math challenge for everybody. And please, if you're watching us, can you help us hit the like button and tap for us on the screen? Those love bubbles, tap for us so that people will get to meet our life. Thank you. Let's mix up this. All right. So to solve it, this is 80 divided by divided by a quarter times 1/40. Now, in mathematics, whenever you have division, be it fraction or mostly fraction, you can change this to multiplication and just flip the number. Look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to write 80, right? I'm going to put multiplication here. I'll flip. This will go up and 1 will come down. Now, if we do that, we have 4/1. We now write our times 1/4, 40, all right? You have seen how I changed this to this place, putting this to be multiplication form. Now, when you do that, 40 divided by 4 give us 10. 4 divided by 4 give us 1. 0 will cancel here, 0 will cancel here. We have 8 times 1 times 1, and that is 8. All over 1 times 1, and that is 8. So please, Gavin, you're right. Shama, K.N. Shama. You've seen the correction, please. You've seen the correction. That is the best way to solve it, all right? So please, thank you for participating. Go on and participate. Let's solve the next one. Question number 6. Please help us share the live section, okay? You can do that for us. Question number 6. Help us share the live section, all right? So we have 100 divided by 10 divided by, divided by 2 is equal to what? So solve this. Drop your answer. Please, wherever you're watching from, you're most welcome. anywhere you're watching from, and solve. Drop your answer. If you know you can solve this, solve it and drop your answer. It's for everybody. It's not for particular people. It's math challenge for all math lovers. Be a student, mother, anyone. Solve it is for you. Solve, drop your answer, please. Let's go. Help us share the live section. Okay, thank you, Gavin. Gavin says 5. Okay, Gavin says 5. And Arifia says, please back. Back, like I don't understand. What do you mean back? Arifia 2.5, right? Okay, good. Arifia 2.5. So more answers. More answers, please. More answers, more answers, more answers. Okay. Arifia, so give me your final answer. Give me your final answer. Okay, Shama. Shama Ali say 5. Or Sham, sorry, Sham. Sham says 5. All right. So Arifia, 5. Okay. So Arifia says 5. Good. Let's delete 2.5 and put 5. So more answers. More answers. Thank you so much for the beautiful love bubbles. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So more answers, please. It's life challenge for everybody. Please, if you want to solve, just solve and drop your answer. It's not for a particular person. It's for everybody. And please help us like the live section. Help us like the live section. So let me quickly solve it. All right. So this is very easy. This is easy. All right. Just we know that 100 divided by 10 is 10. We now divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Is that easy? So everybody is very correct. Thank you for solving this. So we'll try the next question. Okay. So solve the next question. All right. We solve the next question. And the next question says log of base 10, log of 100 to base 10 is what? Log of base 10. That is, please solve that. I don't know how to say it better. Solve that. Let's go. Okay, 2. Good. Shall I say 2? I say 2. So yeah, Arifia says 2. Okay. All right. More answers. More answers. Please, it's for everybody. If you know you can solve it, drop your answer. Let's go. My challenge is for everybody. It's not for a particular set of people. It's for everybody. All right. Hope it's clear enough. Solve. If you know the answer, please help us to tap the love button or bubbles. Help me tap so that it will help in distribution of our live section. Please help me share the live section. Share to mass group, to your profile. Share to mass groups, please. All right. If you're enjoying the class, help me tap the love button, please. Like the live section. So let me solve it. So this one is very easy. All right. This is log 10. And we know that 100 is 10. Just count 1, 2. It's 10 raised to the power 2. So log of a base to itself is 1. And that is, we are going to move these 2, okay, to here. Then we have 2 of log of 10 to base 10. So this alone here is equal to 1. And that is 2 times 1. And the answer is 2. That is how to solve it. It's very easy. Okay, that is how you solve that. And the answer is 2. So please, let's go to the next question. And I don't know, I think that should be question number, I think this is 7, and that should be 8. So question number 8. All right. Which is bigger? Which is bigger? -5 or -2? Which is bigger? Is it -5 that is bigger than -2, or -2 is bigger than -5? Please tell me which is bigger. Tell me which is bigger. Please solve it. Tell me which is bigger. Please solve this. This math challenge is for everybody, and it's every Monday by 10 p.m. Nigerian time. All right. So please, every Monday by 10 p.m., do well to join us for this amazing life challenge. It's happening on Facebook and on YouTube at the same time. So our name on YouTube is Dr. V Maths, and it's the same name on Facebook and YouTube. The time 10 a.m. Join us and solve math challenge every Monday by 10 a.m. Nigerian time. We'll be here to solve math. We don't just solve, we solve and show you solutions so that you also learn as you are solving. So I think solving questions is better. When you solve, you learn. You try so many questions and you are good. So feel free to join us every time. All right. So if you're seeing us, you join us. All right. So Arifia says -3, -2. All right, more answers, please. More answers. More answers. Where are my friends? Solve, drop your answer. Let's go. Solve, drop your answers. Let's go. Wow, that's nice, Arifia. 9 years old and you're doing extremely well. That's good. So please, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So let me solve this. Now, to solve this, you're going to just see it on a number line. I'm going to just do a number line so that you see it, all right? So to do a number line, we have a number line, something like this. And here is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is -1. Here is -2. Here is -3. Here is -4. Here is -5. All right. So looking at that number line, so when you're counting, okay, if you keep going down, this is an let's call this the y-axis and call this the x-axis. Now this if you keep going, you have -6. All right. So from this number line, you can see that -2 is closer to 0 and the positive number, so it's greater. -2 is greater than -5. All right. -5 is less than -2. So that is how you say it. So in the 2, -5 is less than -2. So the answer to this question is -2. That is the correct answer. -2 is bigger than -5. All right. So that is it. We go to the next question. Question number 9. Okay. Question number 9 says, given 4x square equals to x. X is equals to what? I can say find x. Or it doesn't matter. 4x squared equal to x. Find x. Tell me what x. X is equal to what? So solve it. Drop your answer. Let's go. Please, this life challenge is for everybody. As far as you know you want to solve math, solve it. It's for everybody. It's not for a particular set of people. All right? The math challenge is for everybody. Solve it and drop your answer. Okay? Solve it and drop your answer. It's for everybody. So this, we are going to solve, we are going to end this class in 1 hour, 30 minutes from when we started. So we've done 21 minutes. So we have 1 hour plus to end the class. Please help us make it lively. Help us share the live class. All right? Help us share it so that more people can join us. If you're just joining us, help us like the live section. Support the live section by giving it a like and tapping on it. You can tell me where you're watching from or what you want me to include. If you want me to add anything to the live section. So do that so that we go. Then after the live section, I'll do some class. Yes. No matter how little, we'll do some class. It will help us. Arifia, you said 0. Okay. Zero. More answers, please. Please, the question is for everybody. It's not a particular set of students. It's for everybody. It's life challenge for everybody. It's live class for everybody. Yep, everybody can join. Everybody can solve. Help us tap on it so that we can get to meet more people. All right. So let me quickly solve this so that we won't be wasting much time. So to solve that, we have 4x squared is equals to x. All right. Now I want you to know that this is I told you whenever you have a math question with the highest power of the variable in the whole question as is 2. The highest power is 2. All right. You should know it's a quadratic equation. And you should be in mind that quadratic equation must have 2 answers. Okay? So that is, if you have this in mind, you can never fail any quadratic equation, no matter how they twist it, you will get it right. All right? So when you see that, we should know that the standard form of a quadratic equation, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is this trying to say is that before you solve any quadratic equation, you have to put it in the standard form first. Move it to standard form before solving. Look at this question. This is a sign that is a quadratic, but it's not in standard form. You have to put it in standard form to solve. Now, how do you do that? You have 4x squared. When this x crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus x is equals to 0. So you can see it's in standard form already. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation before you can now solve it. Okay? So going further, we look at it here. X is common. We have x here. We have x here. We're going to factor x out. If we do that, we have x. We do 4x squared divided by x will give us 4x. X divided by x will give us minus 1 equal to 0. Okay? Can you see that? Then the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to equate each of them to 0. Okay? If we do that, we equate x to 0, we have x equal to 0. And equate 4x minus 1 equals to 0, we have 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, this is a solution already. We are going to solve here to get the next solution. If you do that, we have 4x is equal to, when this negative 1 crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive 1. Divide both sides by 4. 4 will cancel here, and x is equals to 4. Is equals to 1 over 4, sorry. And x is equals to 1 over 4. So the answer is x equals to 1 over 4 and x equals to 0. So that is the solution to the question. All right. So that is the solution to the question. X is equals to 0 and x equals to 1 over 4. Thank you, Friedrich for solving, and Arifia. So you've seen the correct solution. Your 0 is correct. It's one solution, but it should have two solutions. The second one is x equals to 1 over 4. So let's go to the next question. Question number 10. All right. So go to question number 10. All right. Question number 10 says, 10 minus 10 divided by 10 is equal to what? So solve this, drop your answer. Let's go. 10 minus 10 divided by 10 is equal to what? Solve, drop your answer. Drop your answer, drop your answer. Let's go. Drop your answer. Let's go. Okay. Marquise says 9. Okay. Jacques, please bear me with me in the pronunciation, but I'm just going to spell it right. All right. So please solve this and drop your answer. Solve this, drop your answer. Please solve, drop your answer. So please solve, drop your answer. All right. Sorry for the breaking transmission. I needed to attend to something urgent. So that's why I went off all this while. So please feel free to solve this, drop your answer. So let me solve this. Now to solve this is easy. We apply BODMAS. Bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So solve here first. we have 10 minus 10 divided by itself will give us 1. And the answer is 9. All right. That is the solution to that question. So we'll go to the next question, which is question number 11. So question number 11 says, we are given 25 plus 25 plus 25. All right. We say find the answer. So solve that. Evaluate square root of 25 plus square root of 25 plus square root of 25 and get the answer. So please solve it, drop your answer. Let's see. Solve it, drop your answer. All right. Drop your answer. Let's see the solution to the question. Okay. So please let me quickly solve it. All right. So this is equals to square root of 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 plus 25 is 75. All right. So we're going to solve it. How do we simplify it? We are going to start by dividing with the smallest possible number. Okay. We have 75. So divide by 3. 3 divided by 7, we have 2, remainder 1. 3 divided by 25 by 15 will give us 5. We divide by 3 again. Sorry, 3 cannot divide. We divide by 5. And we have 5. Divide by 5 again. And we have 1. All right. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 3 will give us 75. So it's okay. So what I'm going to do, so we have this is equals to 25 times 3. 25 times 3 will give us 75. So in rule of radical, this can be written as square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 3. Square root of 25 is 5 root 3. So that is the right answer to the question. It's actually that easy. All right. It's actually that easy. So it's actually that easy.